are there good dynasties? Well, there are good people, I guess, in dynasties, diba?
Mm.
But that's not the point. The point is that yun nga, dynasties are really a structural ano. In fact, um, parang ano, pag good dynasty, parang yun yung legacy, di ba? I mean, they always juxtapose. For example, the Aquinos, di ba? Pag good dynasty ka, para kang legacy name, di ba?
Mm.
Pag bad dynasty ka lang. pero structurally, pero structurally, they're the same. I mean, your dynasty is the succession is dynastic, 'di ba? What you present to the public is not is not a party interest, it's not a sectoral interest, it's not, it's not a group interest, it's the family, 'di ba? You're presenting na, o kami to, boto nyo kami kasi, 'di ba? Maayos ang Aquino, maayos ang Duterte, maayos ang Pagal, maayos ang ganyan. So, they will always be known as based on their families. So, ang calculation ng mga tao. Yun, and in fact, ang daming nagme-message sa akin, alam mo, masama itong ginagawa nyo. Di ba? Sige, subukan nyo. Mawala sila lahat, anong gagawin nyo? Ako naman, well, it's a good problem to have. Di ba?
Yes,
Give
yes,
me
yes.
that problem anytime. Kasi once they're out, people will emerge. I mean, di ba? Di ba? You have to choose. What do you want? Continuation of the status quo, or you at least try something different, diba? Kasi
Yan nga usually
yeah.
yung mga ano yung kumbaga yung campaign motto ng kandidato, no? It's either you want to uh, prolong, di ba? Yung
Mm-mm.
yung legacy ng pamilya mo, or you're the game changer.
Yeah. Yeah. And hindi siya maganda para sa public discourse, 'di ba? Kung ang batayan ng calculation mo. I mean, just let's look at the policy. Say the Taguig Makati zoning, 'di ba? Parang the Taguig Makati, 'di ba? You don't really people don't really talk anymore about like what exactly are these political subdivisions about, or these territorial subdivisions about, 'di ba? They just don't, ano ka, Binay ka ba o Cayetano ka? 'Di ba yung parang
Yes, yes.
parang nawala na yung content ng mga bagay-bagay, nawala na yung ganun na lang, kanino ka, kay Binay ka, kay Cayetano ka.
Yeah. And in fact, mayroon kaming experience sa University of Makati. May officials doon. Yung meeting namin, sabi niya, yung first thing he said was, I have served under 5 Binays. My God, like, what is wrong with that sentence, di ba?
Yeah, well,
Actually, 4 pa lang nga, pero yung anticipating the results of the election, mananalo na naman si Binay, so sabi niya 5.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. And of course, because of that repeated, electoral victories, the succession, etc., 'di ba, yung konsepto ng utang na loob, 'di ba? Kung may magandang mangyari, parang ay dahil yan kay mayor, dahil yan sa mga ganitong pamilya, dahil yan hindi yan, 'di ba? It's not about a policy, it's not about a choice, it's not about, 'di ba? So parang ano 'yon? For example, may magandang nangyari, para maulit ko 'yun, kailangan sila ang iboto ko lagi, 'di ba? Hindi man lang what conditions brought about this particular success, for example. So it's
Right.
really, I'm like, this is not entertainment, it's politics. So that I cannot accept that, just because you're from a political family, you dance, you dance to get my vote, like, bakit? 'Di ba? Either you dance or magmura ka or 'di ba, parang
May
'di ba?
branding.
Yes, yes. So, yeah, but what do they really stand for? 'Di ba? So parang that's the problem with Philippine politics. More or less, who's going to govern you. 'Di ba? We all know in 2028, for example, it can be just either Sara Duterte or any of them. In 2016, we also knew either si Duterte or si, 'di ba, parang we always know who is most likely or sino ang mga posible, but we don't know how exactly are they going to govern. 'di
Yes.
ba? I mean, that's a big problem. Dapat boboto ako kasi alam ko 'pag ikaw ang nanalo, alam ko ito yung gagawin mo, 'di
Right.
ba?
So
Hindi
kailangan
tayo gano'n mag-isip.
ng program of government, 'di ba? And
Yes, at the
and
very
it's
least.
and things are falling apart kasi now they don't even want to participate sa mga debates. So we
Mm.
are not privy to their 'di ba? Sa mga
Yeah.
plans.
Yeah. And the notion that, if there's an anti-dynasty bill, wala na ba yung mga traditional politicians na they will still be there, but of course you will have to um they will also be forced to, state their position. Hindi pwedeng, 'di ba? Kasi hindi na nga pwedeng pamilya lang ang gamitin mo, 'di ba? Parang ako ewan ko. I mean, of course, we're academics, so we have to really, 'di ba? We have to choose our words, but at the end of the day, as a citizen, all I want to say is, guys, kumita na kayo. Parang kumita na, kumita na yung linya na yan. So parang pwede iba naman, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
pero ano ba talaga ang dynasty? How far should it stretch? Kasi yun ang naririnig ko ngayong debate. If we
mm.
define a dynasty, how would you?
As I've mentioned, no, it's really a structural distortion of democratic competition. Pero in operational terms, it just means the same members of a family, 'di ba? Or members of the same family, 'di ba? Govern one after the other or govern simultaneously. They occupy positions by virtue of their being a family, 'di ba? Kaya nga even political parties don't matter. So political dynasties are really about, passing on power, remaining in power through your family. I think that's a simplistic definition. No? When you say define members of the family, doon na papasok ang debate. Second degree ba? Third degree ba? Fourth degree ba? 'Di ba? Yung yun na papasok ang anong papayagan mo na degree of consanguinity and affinity.
Consanguinity is by blood,
Yes, and affinity is by marriage.
para lang sa audience. No?
Oo.
Kanina may nabasa ko, pati yung kabit daw, magbabawal na eh. I'm not sure if that was serious.
Well, I mean, if you break it down to yung mga common law spouses, no? If you break it down, for example, Hanilet is, 'di ba? Is a common law wife of Duterte. Will she be allowed to run? Say if so practically parang mother siya ni Sara Duterte, 'di ba? 'Di ba?
No.
By affinity, right? So kung may anti-dynasty bill, tatakbo si Sara ng presidente, tatakbo din ba si Hanilet? Papayagan ba siya? So
Yeah.
yun yung tanong doon.
Anong sagot doon?
I think meron, I think it's a Senate bill na meron, may recognition of common law relationships. So
Okay.
meron ganon. Okay, relative refers to a person within the second civil degree of consanguinity or affinity, whether legitimate or illegitimate, full or half blood. Yeah. So I guess, yeah. So limbawa yan, yung mga half brothers, half ganun din, 'di ba? So I think the point is the Filipino family is very extended, right? So it starts with just one person, usually a patriarch, saying, okay, papasok siya. And then after that, 'di ba, because there are term limits, 'di ba? O sige, pahinga ako, pero i-reserve mo yung seat para sa akin. Political dynasties are a way also to circumvent, to violate the term limits without really violating it. 'Di ba? Kasi nga wala pang anti-dynasty law.
So as long as hindi kasi continuous yung pag-hold sa position, walang violation ng term limits. So,
Wala, pero obvious naman 'yun, 'di ba? Pinasa mo sa asawa mo, pinasa mo sa anak mo. Minsan ang anak mo 25 years old lang, 21 years old lang, 'di ba? Parang 'di ba? Parang walang training at all, walang ano, 'di ba? Parang pinasa mo lang. O sige. So, 'yun.
so yun ang, is that what is keeping, well, before that, no? Nagkaroon ngayon ng, should I say, momentum? Kasi all of a
Hmm.
sudden may mga bills na. And I think this has also to do with yung flood control scam, di ba? Dahil I think,
Yes.
kasi nga, as you said, no?
Yes.
Mga dynasty yan eh. So finally,
Yeah.
nagkaroon ng
Mm.
momentum at may mga bill na file. To be
Yeah.
sure, or to be clear, there have been bills that were filed before, pero hindi
Mhm.
siya umaandar.
It
Okay?
never reached the committee level.
Yes.
Pero let me just backtrack a bit.
Okay.
Ano, Dan, you know, I belong to, you forgot to introduce me as a convener of the Anti-Dynasty Network, di ba? We are. So, but actually, it started really with the flood control. Talagang nag-usap-usap lang kami kasi these were, some of them were my former students, sila Vico, sila Mikey, sila Jeff, lahat sila mga, at one point or another, no, nakasama ko sa Ateneo, yung tapos nandun mga taga Lasal, nandun mga taga UP. So mga, yung immediate lang, yung madaling makausap mo, yung informal conversations, oh my God, ano naman gagawin natin sa bansa natin? So ang ano doon, maybe this is really the time to push for an anti-dynasty bill. I mean, we've always been pushing for it ever since time immemorial, since the constitutional mandate. But now there was a renewed space, I guess, in the discourse, you know, that you see, wala nang checks and balances kasi, my God, presidente mo, paano siya tatayo ng independent, paano siya magtatayo ng independent commission for investigation? Papaimbestiga ba niya talaga yung pinsan niya? Papaimbestiga ba niya itong, di ba? Yung, so, it's it became very apparent that this had to be done. Yun.